Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video too, we will discuss next 31 liner questions regarding agronomy. So let's start. Question number first, at equator, day and nights are always and the answer is equal. We all know that at the equator, day and night they are always equal. Next question, Beaufort scale, it is measured by, and the answer is wind force in sea. Beaufort scale, it is measured by wind force in sea. Third question, horizontal heat transfer from warmer area to cooler area. This phenomena is known as clothesline effect. So clothesline effect, it is nothing but horizontal heat transfer from warmer area to cooler area. Fourth question, hormone which is used as a herbicide, and the answer is 2,4-D. 2,4-D, it is basically a hormone, but it can be used as a herbicide when the concentration goes greater than 20 ppm, means below 20 ppm 2,4-D works as a hormone and above it works as a herbicide. Next question, depth of sowing of soybean seed, and the answer is 3 cm. Soybean seeds, they are usually sown at the depth of 3 cm. Next question, Pusa jand is the variety of berseem and Napier grass. Both this has Pusa jand as their variety. Next question, Indian mustard, it is known as, and the answer is Brassica jonesii. Next question, power tiller, it is most suitable for the cultivation of paddy, means power tiller, it is an implement which is most suitable for the cultivation of paddy crop. Dealing with next question, atmospheric pressure always decreases with, and the answer is altitude. Atmospheric pressure decreases with increase in altitude. Next question, dropsy disease in human being is caused by which weed? And the answer is Argemone mexicana. This is the weed through which the dropsy disease occurs. So basically dropsy disease occurs when Argemone mexicana seeds, they get mixed with mustard seed and they causes death and blindness in human being. And dropsy tragedy, it was occurred in Delhi in the year 1988. Next question, first variety of rice which is introduced in India, and the answer is TN1. It is the first variety of rice which was introduced in India between 1964 to 1965, and TN1, it was developed after Second World War in Taiwan, and TN1, it is the cross between DGO gene into Tasai Yang Cheng, and Dr. T.T. Cheng bought TN1 from Taiwan to IRRI, that is International Rice Research Institute. Next question, gravitational water potential, it is less than 1 by 3 bar. Hygroscopic water potential, it is greater than 31 bar, and available water potential, it is 1 by 3 to 15 bar. Capillary water potential, it is 1 by 3 to 31 bar. So this all comes under the physical classification of soil water. Next question, the most critical stage of irrigation in wheat is, and the answer is CRI stage, that is crown root initiation stage. Now we will see our next question, that is first Indian director of IARI, and the answer is Dr. B. Vishwanath. He was the first Indian director of IARI. Next question, hormone which is related to drought tolerant, and the answer is abscisic acid. This is the hormone which is related to drought tolerant. Next question, plant growth regulator which is used for seedless grape, means if we want seedless grape, the GA plant regulator, it is used. Next question, plant growth regulator which is used for sucker control in tobacco, and the answer is MH, that is malic hydrazide. It is the plant growth regulator which is used in tobacco for sucker control. Next question, plant growth regulator which is used for fruits thinner and flower initiator, and the answer is NAA. Next question, the size of Thomson seedless grape it is increased by GA3 hormone. Next, plant growth regulator which is used as cotton defoliant, and the answer is abscisic acid. Next question, the plant growth regulator which is used for sugarcane ripener it is glyphosate. It is the PGR which is used for sugarcane ripener. Next, the plant growth regulator which is used for ripening of fruit it is ethylene. We all know that for ripening of fruits the ethylene hormone it is used. Next question, grey spots on leaves occurs due to the deficiency of manganese. Means if a plant has deficiency of manganese then grey spots occurs on leaves. Next question, the crops which are grown for conserving soil moisture it is known as mulch crop. Mulch crops, they are usually meant for the conservation of soil moisture. Next question, the growing of crops in between Kharif and Rabi season it is known as Z crop. Next, drop size which is greater than 0.5 mm it is called as, and the answer is rain. When the drop size it is greater than 0.5 mm then it is called as rain. Next and the last question, the sowing pattern which is used in dry land it is broadcasting. Means usually we are broadcasting the seeds in dry land. So these were the questions regarding agronomy. For more questions regarding agronomy, stay connected with Agri Exam, and this daily one-liner questions will be very useful for the upcoming agri competitive exams. So stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.